Bore da pawb. This is just a quick video to let you know that I've started a Patreon page for those of you that would like to become more involved with the channel, and I'll leave the link below. One of the benefits of the page is going to be behind the scenes footage, and although this is going to be for Patreons only, I thought I'd share the first one with you all now just for the fun of it. So don't forget the link, and here's the footage. Well, I'm out here today trying to shoot an intro for the John Rowlands video, and I don't know what it is about me and cows, but they seem to follow me around. I mean, look at this lot here. Yeah, maybe I'm flattering myself. Is it me they like, or just the filmmaking process? But yeah, they seem to pop up wherever I go. Never mind. It's nice to have some company, isn't it? Hey lads. I think the lads. Yeah. Well, I'm taking a breather right now. I'm halfway up the big hill to the castle. Yeah, I don't suppose people realise that when you're filming like this, one-man band, you have to set the camera up and then sort of run half a mile down the road and come and meet it, and then turn it round and then walk half a mile away from it, then come back. You covered about 3 times the distance in the end, I'm sure. Progress is a wee bit slower this morning, for good reasons though. When I was filming at the Piggott, an old guy came out and, strangely enough, started to tell me the history of John Rowlands and his connection with the Blouse Piggott. So that was quite nice. And on my way here, another lady stopped me and asked if I could do a video about the witches of Denby, because quite a few were hung here apparently. So, put that one on the list. So there we go. Onwards and upwards. See you later. And now time for a post-production pint in this place. Lovely. End of journey. Well deserved. Yachida.